We have a wolf pulling our strings, and I like it. I like the way it feels. Translator, oh, there's the translator. Quick question for you. When was the last time you had a banana?
That was this morning. Yeah.
And what did the banana do to your system?
Well, it kicked me off, and just like coffee, ready to, seize the day.
And your wolf is trying to feed you. Is this typical hospitality on his planet?
Yeah. It's very much to be taken care of.
Oh, that was a mouthful in any language. Now, Mr. Keith, are you nervous ahead of tonight's show?
Yes.
What could go wrong?
Muffin.
And what could go right?
Everything.
And a final question, have you managed to see anything outside of the venue? What have you been doing in Turin? The commentator from Norway has entered the frame.
Thank you. Okay, bye.
That was about sightseeing. What have you done in Turin?
I get it. I see. This is a family YouTube channel.
We'll leave that. But you guys, thank you so much. Do you have a final message ahead of the jury final for all of your fans? Oh, please don't choke.
Wolf for Norway.
Thank you so much. Tusen tack. You're keeping a very straight face. I love it.